Here's my old tool post. So these two things are quite a bit different. This is what sucks down onto the base. It slides in a slot into my cross feed, or not my cross feed, but my whatever you call it there. My brains are mush, so bear with me. So I wonder if I gotta mill something up for that out of this base here. My brains aren't what they once were. Well, I don't know where it's at, but I had a pad to set this stuff on. I need to disassemble this all together, just to see. This is another nut down there. This guy. So that screws into the base of here. So that's not gonna work either way. So I think I don't know, guys. I'm gonna have to make something to work. And I'm probably gonna have to machine it to work. So this tool has to be centered with that, basically. I don't have height gauges or nothing like that, so my fine tuning. And this is for a cutoff, but let me grab a different one. All right, so this one's for parting. It came with 5. Here's a knurler. Here's whatever size that is. Probably should be similar to this. 250 201 and 250 202. So they're different height for different size. And then this one is for a boring bar. Like this here, and actually that's too small almost for this, but okay, so you get the idea. Let's just take this guy, because my tooling is 5/8, so that fits in there. So we'll open this guy up. China, gotta love the fact that it says China right on it. Two things. Here's an old school knurling tool for my old lathe. I got it sitting on the floor over there. I'm gonna turn it into a gall darn wood lathe at some point. Do I machine this a little bit, or do I just machine this to fit? I'm guessing that I machined this to fit. So, golly gee, let me take this other thing. It's funny because I wonder how close these are. So it's about 25. They're very close, very, very close. So I wonder if that will give me enough sticking up here that this will sit just above there where I should have a washer or something to make the rest of the contact. Or if I gotta trim this down. All right, I think we're gonna mill this to be what we need. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, one quick thing. Now this, I'm gonna drop nothing here. I'm not care about that. This guy here, pretty sloppy. So I don't want to get my measurements off of this. So this, when I got this machine, it was completely unusable, but this comes out. You can see how dirty that is because I never got in there to clean it. I just been doing this because I don't use this a lot. Alright, I'm gonna figure this right out like a carpenter. So I got my little square. you can see our line right there that I scribed with my carbide pen. We are right there, man. Good finish cut on there. Back it up so I can see. $199.25. So we're a little bit bigger than this guy, but that's okay because this was really soft. What I'll do to get a better edge right here is at the end I'll do it this way. Or should I do it that way now? Maybe I should do it that way now. I think I will. there's our piece we made. It's bigger, it's better. I gotta deburr it here quick. All right guys, here's our piece. I just deburred it and hit it on the wire wheel, and then I tried to test fit it, but unfortunately you guys can't see from there. Just a little bit too snug. This would be perfect if I had my grinder going, because then I could. I gotta get a wheel for my grinder. So what I'm gonna do is, God, I almost wanna surface the whole back side of this thing. So that's. That sounds. Oh, this machine has had its good days. I unfortunately got it on its bad days. Just enough to leave a little bit. Get these. Not too bad of a finish. So now, see if I can't shut yous off. I got my safety goggles on. Oh, I got a mess in here. It's a tight fit, but now, so there we go, guys. We made it. Now watch. Now we do that, like that. Okay. We got a wrench. What size is it? Is it the big dog? Either way, I think we have success, and it's going to be a lot better than what I was using. So I might as well show a cut. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to square this tool rest up off the face of my chuck here. was planning on being able to spin this. So, better? Yes. Exactly what I wanted? No. Do I know exactly what I'm doing? No. But I'll get there. Have a good New Year's.